Oh, hello. Hello.
God bless your Nami.
What do you
Yes,
mean?
sir.
There's more than 6. And we all play.
Hello, Simon.
Hello.
Hello.
Ever get don't you even.
Oh.
I got a lot back.
Jeffrey, tới nhà.
Jevin.
Tới nhà vậy. Ow, you trash. Oh, practice?
Okay, starting.
Start.
This is your group.
Wait.
Girl, you have everyone.
No, you can sub in, sub out.
Good luck.
Start.
How does this look?
It's starting.
How does this look?
Alright, 0-0.
How does this look?
We're rotating.
How does it look? It's good. 1-0.
We're rotating.
Yeah.
You sub in for who?
No one. No one.
Oh, you're not in my group?
No. Who too?
Let me go in now.
Ooh, he said let me. Debla say, hey, Debla say let me go. Huh? Okay.
So this was the best.
My God, why did you say that?
You sub out after 7 points, okay? Yo, what the? Linda.
Linda tried to make net smaller.
It's already high.
Okay, bro, chill, relax.
Can we do men's net?
It is,
Oh.
but it's outdoor. It's outdoor.
So short. It is short.
It is
Too
short.
short. Alright, go.
Let me see.
3-1.
We need to do the other side.
Nice.
What the
It's red. It's red. Great. It's red. Is it red? Is it blinky red?
Oh yeah, it's red. I thought your eye. Yeah, real game now. Oh my days.
6-1. Hey, when it's 7-1, Diplo's gonna sub in. Nice.
Over.
Net. Woo! Bro, he netted. Come on, Greg. No, I'm reffing. Net. How many times? How many times he's got a net, bro? Come on, Sagi.
Oh, shoot.
Nice. Oh no, I think I have to go in. Stop it. Stop. I got the GoPro, so I gotta use the GoPro, you know. Hey! No, it was it. Okay, that's like I got that on camera. Nah, I think it's something. Redo that. Wait, why are you so far? Just take your time. You gotta roll it higher. Hey, John's waking up. Woo! What's the score?
Yo, how you do that? I go. No! Hey, 9.
Woo! Don't be ghetto. Yes, sir.
Yo.
I recorded. I go in next game.
What is that? It's 5 points.
Over. Hey. Over.
Hey, I sub it.
I want to start.
That's it. She's so happy. You ready? Watch this clip. Yes, sir. Help.
Oh, sorry.
Well, the thing is, none of you are in my group. That's what I thought.
How they playing like?
Hey.
Playing terrible.
No like.
Oh, cheaters! Watch, it's gonna be a net. It's gonna be net. Watch. Oh, he's scared.
Well, I thought you were gonna send it back to me.
I know, I thought so. First.
What a back row set.
Hey, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. What the heck?
Celebrate too early. Hey.
Good spot.
Go back.
Everywhere.
What a challenge. It's a nice
Bro.
Oh, he's scared to surf overhead. Bro, I'll give him the chance.
Yeah.
Don't give him a chance. Bro.
Guys, just do underhand. Just do underhand.
I'll play that whole thing.
It's not good.
Except for him.
What is Middle doing? I think the team is like kind of unfair, you know?
Oh, he got y'all with this. Wait.
What is that? Right in net.
No. No, he did it.
Dale, how you gonna let Friday? Ace on you. Oh my God.
What the heck?
I go.
Hey.
The guy can't aim. Bro, what? Next time we're not gonna do it.
Middle.
Hey, that's the word. What the frick?
What the
Two more, we win.
Game point for brother guys. Hey, point.
I think John's gonna give it a little bit more sweat.
What the heck? I hit no ball. That's why we gotta do 25.